So you guys, I decided that I'm going to go behind the scenes and take you guys on the journey of what it's like a week of doing content for YouTube or being a content creator or YouTuber or whatever you want to call it. Because you guys always ask, like, Rochelle, how do you do YouTube videos, sew alongs, and all the things, be on the mom, work outside the house 9 to 5, and all these things, right? So I'm going to take you on the journey all week long, 7 days a week of how I plan content, okay? So today is Monday. Today is actually May the 11th. So today is actually filming day, okay? So Monday is filming day. So what that means is today I would normally film any type of sew-alongs, any type of content that I need to film. Now, normally I wouldn't film no more than 2 videos in a day, okay? Now, because I know what videos that I'm going to be filming today, this is one of the videos that I would be filming today. Another video that I have in the archive that I need to film today, right, is, so I think the other video that I need to film today, I can't think of it right off the top of my head, but right after this video, I would film that video. So what I'll do is I'll use this camera and then I'll set up the other camera to show you what it looks like filming behind the scene. I'll use 2 cameras instead of just this one full face on. So you can see behind the scene of what it's like filming and getting everything set up or whatever for, how to film behind the scenes, right? So that's what I have going on for Monday, is just straight up filming. So then I can show you each day this week of what it's like being a content creator or a YouTuber or whatnot. So you can see a day in the life of what it's like each day of how I get things done one day at a time and then put everything together for you guys. You guys are going to see some editing and what that looks like as well. You guys will see how I develop my videos with what people call it scripting. Now, one thing I want to mention is I do not script my videos. Nothing is scripted. When I say script day, that's me writing out bullet points, me coming up with my intro, things like that. And you guys will see how I do that as well. All right. Well, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and do my filming and let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. All right. So since today is filming day, I'm going to go over to the table. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to film today. And what I'm going to be filming is the Mood Lift Pants pattern. All right. And what I'm going to do, since today is filming, I'm going to get as much filming as possible. And the filming is going to be actually making a muslin of the pants. So because I want to make a muslin first to test the fit, what I'm going to be doing is filming, cutting out the muslin, and then I'll possibly also, if I have time, go ahead and film sewing the pants together. All right. Now, if I don't film sewing the pants together today, I will possibly just film cutting it out, and then tomorrow film getting the pants sewn together. All right. So, but you will see both of those together each day. All right. So let's go ahead and get on over to the table and cut the Mood pant pattern out of muslin fabric today. All right. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go. You guys, it is officially Tuesday, and that means it's officially cutting day. It's something so satisfying about cutting that piece of fabric that you've been wanting to cut to make something magical, right? So today I am definitely cutting into a fabric. Now, I'm going to say I am making Bermuda shorts. Now, although I'm not sewing it today, I am going to be cutting the fabric today. So today I'm going to be cutting the fabric for McCall's 8632. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen for reference so you're able to see that. Now, if you missed the live, I cut this pattern in a hunter green, forest green, whatever you want to call it, emerald green fabric. And I'm going to be sewing like a 70s style pair of wide leg pants, right? Or flared pants. I'm also, because I did a muslin, I was like, I like these in Bermuda style shorts, right? Gachos, culottes, whatever you want to call them, right? So I decided to not only make the pants, but make it in shorts as well. Yeah, I'm going to do that as well. One thing I like about this pattern is it has pin tucks in the front. So I think that that's going to be real cute. So let me go ahead, go over to the table and cut this pattern out of Bermuda shorts. And if you missed the video last week, you will know that I am actually using this Ankara fabric. This fabric is purchased from House of Mommy Watson. I purchased this fabric, I want to say about 2 years ago. It's no longer available, but you could definitely go to House of Mommy Watson, see what she has, and if it's something that you like, you could definitely go and pick something up as well. Now, before you ask me, what am I going to pair this with? If you remember, I have a video. It's a so long, okay? I did like a bright green button-down shirt, right? Now, when I picked this fabric, I forgot all about that shirt. Even though I wear it constantly, I'm going to pair that button-down shirt with these Bermuda shorts, and probably wear some black heels. I think that's going to be cute. I don't know yet. We'll see. I may wear a black shirt. I may wear a white shirt. I don't know how I'm going to pair this yet. Okay. I'm just giving some ideas. All right. Now, what I will do is give some styling options when I get ready to pair this together. I'll put up a slide with some styling options probably at the end of the week. Okay, I'll give you some styling options, all right? I don't know how many ways I'm going to style this just yet. So just hang on with me by the end of the week, all right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and go over to the table. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. And that's it for tonight. And I'll let you know what we're going to do tomorrow, all right? So let's go ahead and cut this out now. Let's go ahead and go. All right, you guys, that's it for today. That wraps up my Tuesday cutting day. I was able to go ahead and cut out the Ankara fabric for McCall's 8632. It is a little late. It's right at 10:12 at night. I'm going to go ahead and take a shower and get in bed. That's all I'm going to cut for tonight. Join me tomorrow, as tomorrow is what I like to call scripting day. Now, even though I do not script my videos, I'm unscripted because I feel like if I was going from a script, I would butcher a script because I like to just come in and just be natural on camera, right? I think I would basically butcher a script, okay? So you will see tomorrow when I come in what I do when I call scripting day. Scripting day, I'll share tomorrow when I come in what scripting day looks like for me. All right? Well, that's it for tonight. I will catch you tomorrow. Take care. Peace. Hey guys, happy Thursday or happy Friday Junior, whichever one you want to call it. So today I'm in the lab and I'm not going to even be in the lab very long, but today is Thursday and today is edit and upload day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go upstairs to my office and I'm going to kind of show you guys the process of editing. So you guys get to see behind the scenes today of what it's like editing a video. So without further ado, to keep this portion short and to the point, let's go ahead and head up to my office so you could see behind the scenes of editing a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that now. To go ahead and not only so, but I want to share with you guys what is on my agenda to get done this week. Now, first things first is to go ahead and finish up hashtag make 6 2026 my pants, but I also have to work on my lavender haze. I got a whole crap load. I was getting ready to cuss, but I'm not. I have a whole crap load of stuff that I need to get done. So of course, I'm going to give you guys the whole checklist of things that I need to sew this week. Not so much taping, because if you guys remember last week, which I will put up the video, that I did a lot of taping and cutting last week. So where this week, I'm going to be sewing. And I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me because I have lots of sew-alongs that's going to come this week. I don't have much taping that I need to do, but it's a lot of sewing that's going to be happening today. Not so much because tomorrow is Mother's Day. But all week after Mother's Day is a lot of sewing this week because, all right, you guys, there you have it. That is the process of editing and uploading a video to YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes of what it's like for today, of the process of just being a YouTuber and a content and how I plan my week. So stay tuned for tomorrow, as tomorrow is all about Friday is normally live and sewing day. So actually tomorrow would be May the 15th, and tomorrow is actually a live. I'm not going to be filming, what it's like to do a live because that's more than enough work. But what I will do is come back in Saturday to show you what I do on Saturdays. All right. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the wrap up of my Saturday and Sunday before posting this video next week. Well, that's it for today. Talk to you soon. Turn